Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by pairing your AirPods and opening settings. Make sure you have iOS 17 or later so the test features appear. Once paired, go to Accessibility and turn on Headphone Accommodations. This optimizes sounds for your ears. Make sure noise control is set to off or transparency based on instructions. Find a quiet space and sit still. You want minimal background noise. Now open the Health or Hearing app and choose the AirPods hearing test to launch the guided calibration sequence. You will hear a series of tones and spoken prompts. Press the button or tap as instructed when you detect each sound. Pay attention to the level changes. Lower tones check bass sensitivity, higher tones check treble, so you understand why responses matter. Once done with one ear, the app switches to the other, so stay seated and avoid moving the AirPods. If any tone is missed, the system may repeat or recalibrate automatically, giving you another chance to respond accurately. Once the test completes, review the summary and apply suggested personalization to headphone accommodations. This tailors sound balance to your hearing. You can listen to before and after samples to confirm the change. If something goes wrong, first reseat the AirPods and retry in a quieter room, making sure battery levels are adequate. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and check for iOS and AirPods firmware updates. These steps resolve most glitches, so you can retake the test reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.